Ever wondered how the Mona Lisa Touch procedure is performed? It's a non-surgical laser treatment designed for women to improve intimate health, especially issues like dryness, laxity, or discomfort. The process is quick and usually painless, done right in a doctor's office without the need for anesthesia. A small laser device is gently inserted into the vaginal canal, where it delivers controlled laser energy to the tissue. This stimulates collagen production, increases blood flow, and helps restore the natural thickness and elasticity of the vaginal walls. Each session takes only about 5 to 10 minutes, and most women need a few sessions for best results. Since it's non-invasive, there's no downtime, and patients can return to normal activities immediately. Over time, the treatment enhances comfort, hydration, and overall confidence in intimate wellness.